So I took a short trip to Stillhouse Lake here in Texas and nearby Harker Heights to go fly my drone and test it. I was recording some footage for another video. The whole idea was to test the hand signals, but had some issues with the hand signals. I couldn't get the application to launch with the Mavic Air, and I think it had something to do with the phone that I was using that doesn't have service, but still got some pretty good footage. As you can see, Stillhouse is levels are really high. The marina is literally floating. You can see the ramps and the little docks are completely submerged, so it was pretty cool view from the air to be able to see the boat ramp being completely submerged and the marina floating. And there's another dock on the other side. You'll see it soon. Well, as you can see, the marina floats along with all the boats, but it's completely overfloated. Um, so yeah, I started flying around, taking good footage. To be honest, half of the footage didn't record, and I think it also had to do with me using a cheap SD card that didn't have enough speed to keep up with 1080p or 720, which I ended up lowering the settings. But the footage that I got was pretty cool. Too bad I lost the one where I actually flew out to that little island that you see there. Um, but at the end, I came back. Oh, see that dock right there? That's the one that I was talking about. You're supposed to walk all the way there, and you can see the trail. That's how much water it has. And there I was down there, and I brought it down. The dogs were running around, and then I decided to chase the dogs with the drone. That was not a good idea. Not because the dogs did anything or the dogs were not scared of the drone. I was just trying to keep an eye on them with the drone. And they went into the little bathroom facility of the lake, and or they went near the door, and I got too close. I ended up crashing the drone against the doors of the place. Broke a couple propellers, but besides that, everything was fine. So there it is. There's the dogs. There's me heading really fast over there. Stop just on time, and then back up, and boom. And that was it. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.